Today we will explore how to make the most of the package manager integrated into the MODICIA OS control panel. First, let's check which repositories are currently enabled. If you are using an ISO released before the latest updates, you will only have the original Debian repositories. Open a full-screen terminal and copy and paste command number 1 from the video description. This ISO does not yet include the official MODICIA OS repositories, which are already integrated in the latest releases, so we will add them now. Copy and paste commands 2, 3, and 4 from the video description into the terminal, one at a time. Now, as you can see, we have added the signed repository from https://www.modicios.cloud/packages. Now let's double check everything. Open a full screen terminal and type command number 5 from the video description. As you can see, we have added the MODICIA OS repository. Naturally, if during the first check you notice that the repository was already present because you are using a newer updated ISO, you can skip the repository addition step and start from this point instead. Now let's check the included software page to see what is available in the new repository. Now let's choose the package we are interested in. Let's open the package manager integrated into the MODICIA OS control panel and search for the selected software. The MODICIA OS package manager is able to handle all packages and dependencies with a single click, install software from all repositories, update all packages, and remove them as needed. As you have seen, the exclusive tools included in MODICIA OS are useful, efficient, and not just unnecessary duplicates of other software. We hope this has been helpful, and we invite you to support us with likes on social media, YouTube, Facebook, and more. If you want to keep us motivated to improve, let us feel your support. Thank you all for the trust you continue to show us.